Durian is a fruit with a strong odor. Some people like it and some people are particularly disgusted because his taste is really disgusting, but scientists use durian's odor to create electrical energy, which you may not understand. But here's something we haven't given much thought to: what happens to all that madly malodorous durian waste? And could it be put to good use somewhere? A new study from the University of Sydney reveals the answer. Durian waste, as a zero-cost substance that the community wants to get rid of urgently due to its repulsive, nauseous smell, is a sustainable source that can transform the waste into a product to substantially reduce the cost of energy storage through our chemical-free, green synthesis protocol, says Associate Professor Vincent Gomes. Looking for new ways to develop energy storage devices with high energy density to meet the challenges of global warming and rapidly depleting fossil fuel, the team took on durian and jackfruit to try and create electrochemical supercapacitors. Supercapacitors are like energy reservoirs that dole out energy smoothly, explains Gomes. They can quickly store large amounts of energy within a small battery-sized device and then supply energy to charge electronic devices, such as mobile phones, tablets and laptops, within a few seconds. Using durian and jackfruit purchased from a market, we converted the fruit's waste portions biomass into supercapacitors that can be used to store electricity efficiently, he adds. Using a non-toxic and non-hazardous green engineering method that used heating in water and freeze-drying of the fruit's biomass, the durian and jackfruit were transformed into stable carbon aerogels, an extremely light and porous synthetic material used for a range of applications. If you like the latest energy-saving technology and knowledge, please follow our channel. Carbon aerogels make great supercapacitors because they are highly porous. We then used the fruit-derived aerogels to make electrodes which we tested for their energy storage properties, which we found to be exceptional, Gomes says. Compared to batteries, supercapacitors are not only able to charge devices very quickly but also in orders of magnitude greater charging cycles than conventional devices. The team found that the supercapacitors they prepared were significantly more efficient than current ones, which are made from activated carbon. Durian waste was selected based on the excellent template nature provides for making porous aerogels, Gomes says. The durian and jackfruit supercapacitors perform much better than the materials currently in use and are comparable, if not better, than the expensive and exotic graphene-based materials. Gomes says that naturally derived supercapacitors are leading the way for developing high-efficiency energy storage devices, a necessary step in the face of climate change and dwindling supplies of fossil fuels. We have reached a point where we must urgently discover and produce ways to create and store energy using sustainably sourced materials that do not contribute to global warming, he adds. And if those ways happen to find a use for piles of putrid produce waste that packs an electrical punch, then all the better. If you like the latest energy-saving technology and knowledge, please follow our channel.